And if you do this right now, that's $1,500 in tax savings between the time you saw this video and the end of the year. If you want to lower your taxes, you're running out of time. But don't worry, I put together a free PDF to teach you how to lower your taxes before the end of the year. Yes, I said free. Of the 12 end-of-year tax savings tips, here's just one of them. You can rent your house out for 14 days or less per year and receive that money completely income tax-free. If you own your own business, you can rent your own house to your business and get the deduction. You have just transferred your money from whatever your tax bracket is to a 0% tax bracket. We call that tax savings, baby. As long as you're renting the house out for 14 days or less, the money is completely tax-free. This is on the PDF, but here's what you want to do. Number one, you want to do research on fair market value. What can you rent event space in your area for per day? Get that number. If you look at hotel space, it's probably going to come out to at least $500 a day. Now that we've got our fair market value number, we're going to take it and multiply it by the number of tax-free days, 14 days or less. If your fair market value is $500 and you multiply that by 14 days of tax-free income, that's a $7,000 deduction. In an effective tax bracket of 22%, that saves you over $1,500. And if you do this right now, that's $1,500 in tax savings between the time you saw this video and the end of the year. That's just one of 12 tax savings tips that you can implement before the end of the year. It's all free in my profile. Just click the link. If you need help implementing this while you grab your PDF, make sure you book a free tax strategy call.